In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of setting up character count safety limits on your Typeform fields. Adding these restrictions is a fantastic way to ensure that your respondents keep their answers concise and stay within your specific data requirements. To get started, you will first need to open your Typeform workspace and navigate to the editor view. Once you are there, take a look at the left-hand panel where all of your questionnaire blocks are listed. You should click on the specific short text or long text question block that you want to modify with a character limit. After you have selected the appropriate block, your focus should shift over to the right side of the screen. This is where the question settings panel is located, which contains all of the customization options for your chosen field. Scan through the list of settings until you locate the toggle switch labeled max characters. This option is usually turned off by default, so you will need to click the toggle to turn it on. As soon as you activate this feature, an empty value box will appear right next to the toggle switch. This is where you enter your specific numeric restriction limit. For instance, if you want your users to provide a very brief summary, you might type 100 into the box. Alternatively, for a slightly more detailed response, you could set the limit to 250 characters instead. Once you have entered your desired number, Typeform will automatically enforce this limit for anyone filling out your form. This prevents users from submitting excessively long responses and helps you manage your data much more effectively. It is a quick and truly efficient way to keep your submissions organized and professional. By following these few easy steps, you can ensure that every single response fits perfectly into your planned layout and meets your exact project standards.